My Atari! Turn off all the lights and bask in the glory of a 2-bit sprite. I stood in line when I was 9, bought burger time and left the world behind. And out my speakers, Hubert speaks, won't offend my peepers cause his words are bleak. My Atari's on a stand with an uneven height, so I use my Xbox just to prop it up right. My Atari still works after all these years, from when it first appeared on sale at Sears. We'll be together forever. I named it Heather and I'll never get sick of pushing the reset lever. My Atari! My Atari! Yo, what's up?
My
Atari!
Driving down the street at night, now I'm bumping and jumping to a staggering height. It always brightens up
My day,
and just last
Friday,
I found myself trying to kill a frog on the highway. You can't go
wrong
with games like
Pong.
when I'm pitfall, the snake
Bit me
in the
wrong.
and I slide left and right. I'm putting up a fight with shields, wing lanes, space invaders in my sight. And now I'm just sitting here catching some bombs.
I can play while on the toilet cause my phone is the ROM. It's my Atari! My Atari! Now, me and my Atari play the illest games. I like to duck and jump over dragon flames. We slay all dragons, red, yellow, and green. And the bat carries corpses from screen to screen. Out of space and underground when I play my game. I shoot everything, it all looks the same. I'm set on expert every game I play. Even Strawberry Shortcake has me playing all day. My Atari! My Atari!
Now the games that I possess have quite a range. Myself, I've got 400 games. I play Taz a lot till it eats its fill. And then Kool-Aid Man when it's time to get ill. Donkey Kong, and I got the high score before Mario dunked Pauline for that horn.
My Atari didn't always bring good games. Pac-Man was lame cause Drew's Revenge was insane. And I hope the Reese's cause an allergy for E.T. cause that's the game that brought down the whole industry. At a party that I threw for all the boys, we played asteroids till we could hemorrhoids. My Atari lets me play with the stick in my lap, with a couple teeth marks cause I needed a snap. Whether in a space
Battle
or rustling
cattle,
you won't see me without my joystick or paddle. My Atari!